I'm going to use a variety of materials to build these jigs and templates. The first one is MDF, or medium density fiberboard. It's a paper-based type product, extremely strong, very dense, and nice and flat. I like to use it on jigs that will contact or may contact the saw blades because this won't dull saw blades. The nice part about it is that it's a great material to use for jigs. The bad part is that it has an awful lot of sawdust that comes when you cut it, so make sure that your vacuum control is set up well. Second material is multi-ply plywood. You may have heard it referred to as Baltic birch or maybe Finnish birch. What's interesting about this plywood is it's got 13 plies that make up this 3/4 inch thickness. Even good plywood only has 5. These 13 plies add an awful lot more density. They also keep the board really flat with no voids. I really like using this stuff. It comes from about 1/4 inch up to 3/4 inch. The third product is hardboard or masonite. I find it works very well for jigs, especially when I've got the toilet bowl bolts underneath that have to have something durable to pull up against. It's a great material. It's available in stores in usually 2 by 4 foot sizes. It's available from 1/8 up to about 1/4 inch. And the last material is plexiglass or acrylic. I like using this especially on jigs with routers because you'll find that you can see what the bit is doing. But on table saws, I can put this on the top to act as kind of a guard, and I can see through and see what the blade is doing without worrying about getting anything in my eyes. This is available in 1/8 inch and up to 1/4. You can find it in a lot of glass supply houses and also at the big box stores. Those are the materials I've got to use. And what I found is that I like to take my jigs and templates and base them around must-haves and nice-to-haves. So the first thing we're going to start out with is the must-haves, and we're going to start working on this zero clearance insert.